In this Python tutorial, we will make examples of file handling. At the end of the video, you will understand exactly how file handling operations are performed. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. File handling is an essential aspect of programming for tasks such as reading from and writing to files. Python provides built-in functions and methods for file handling operations. Let's go through the basics of Python file handling with examples. In the first example, we will learn to read the example text file in the project. I create a variable and send two parameters to the open function. The first parameter specifies the name of the file, the second parameter specifies the open mode. I open the example file with read mode. I create a variable and access the data in the file using the read function. With print, I print the data in the file to the console screen. Finally, I close the file. You can perform file reading operations using this method. In the second example, we will perform the reading operation. This time we will use the with method. I send the file name and open mode to the open function. I open the file for reading purposes. I create a variable and access the data in the file using the read function. With print, I print the data in the file to the console screen. Unlike the previous example, I do not close the file. A file opened with automatically closes when the operation is completed. Using the with statement is recommended for file handling. It ensures that the file is properly closed after the operations are performed, even if an exception occurs. Now let's learn how to create and write files. I send the file name and open mode to the open function. I open the file for writing purposes. Wmode opens a file for writing, creates the file if it does not exist. We can save data to the file using the write function. Turtle text file was created and data was saved. I run the program several times. But there is a problem. Writing in Wmode first deletes the data in the file and then prints the value sent to the write function. If we want to write without deleting the data in the file, we should use Amode, not Wmode. Amode opens a file for appending, creating the file if it does not exist. I run the program several times. Write operations performed in Amode wrote the data without deleting it. Now let's learn how to perform visual reading and writing. We will read this image. We will create an image and print the image we read on the newly created image. In summary, we will copy the image. Now let's take a look at how it's done. RBsMode opens the file in binary format for reading. I create a variable and access the binary data of the image using the read function. I can print binary data to the console screen with print. Image's binary data was printed to the console screen. WBsMode opens the file in binary format for writing. If the file with the specified name does not exist, it creates it. Since there is no file named ImageNew, it will be created. We can write data to the created file using the write function. I send the binary data of the image we opened in the previous open function to the write function. In this way, I copied the image. There are two of the same image. In this video, we made examples of file handling in Python. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.